Hello everybody, Unholy Vision here from Venomous Pictures, and the last time I made a video, I made it about the keypad, about a question by Gangrene. He asked if I could use the directional pad here for movement in terms of gameplay. And I talked about how by default the space bar here would be kind of problematic trying to move and jump with this. So I mapped a key to what would be more comfortable, because if you're moving like this, as you can see, I'm not using anything but that, and when I press these, I've remapped these where they can't be movement keys, and you can see it's without mouse movement here. I'm having a little problem, but overall it's not terrible, but it would take a lot of time to get used to this setup. And I thought this video here could be of me just fiddling around with this crap, get a few laughs out of it, and show how well I can possibly do, or how horrible I can do with the directional pad as movement. Anyway, here we go. BF Battlefield Bad Company 2 is the game I'm playing right now, since I was requested to play a Battlefield-like game. And what feels weird is this joystick here is, well, directional pad as they call it on the thing. It does an 8-way movement, and it doesn't really do diagonal to... It feels weird to do diagonal, let's just put it like that. Because there's 8 different ways to move this, and it clicks every time you do it. So if you just move a little diagonal and then switch over, then you slide up, and you feel like you click, and you feel a click, the tactical feedback. It's weird just to move.
We're going high road. Quiet. Take the trenches. How are we gonna take care of those guns, Sarge? No, we aren't, Faraday. That isn't the mission. Good luck, Brian. Keep firing!
You can see I'm making a lot of rapid, weird movements. Like going too far one way, not meaning to, or just backpedaling wrong. And it's kind of weird, but you could get used to this if you really had to. Technically, you could use this. Do fairly well. But I still would say a controller would be more wise if this is how you're going to be using this keypad here.
Still some time.
But as I was saying in the comment section to Gangrene, you probably could get off with the. I'm going to turn off some of that bass. My switches are still here. That back noise and bass. I'm just going to use the 2 front speakers, just in case if I'm getting drowned out a little bit. And I'm still wanting to reach. I'm so used to using a keyboard. I'm wanting to press these, and I can't do anything. And as I said, I removed them so I can't cheat. Can't cheat and just use a keyboard. I have to use a directional pad. If I can get through this first mission. And I didn't want to do multiplayer, really, just for the record. It just didn't feel... I know I'd lose tremendously because I'm just not used to this. You see, I'm wavering back and forth a little bit, not more than I should.
Mind. Watch your step.
Awkward.
Stop. Get down. Down.
There we go again, trying to press WASD. Awkward. When you've played so many years with the actual WAS.
Find this guy. Together, come on.
Wow.
Come on, keep going. Move, move, move.
You don't even have to use the forward key on sprinting, so I can cheat that way if I want to move forwards. I forgot about that. It's been a while since I played Battlefield. Bad Company 2.
I guess that's all right. All right, fellas. Get ready. Go.
Nothing but aim on this one, so I can just take my hand off the keypad if I wanted to. I'm doing it. I usually walk and shoot a lot of times, so it's awkward on that behalf. Messing up my aim just a little bit. Sometimes I steady my hand, especially when I hold like a rifle. I feel like I'm not making as sharp turns or stuff like that, especially when it's sprint on this game, but that doesn't control overall movement now. Alright, as you can see on the first portion of the game, I just could not really do this real well. I'm having a little difficulty, but you could do this overall, but I don't find it that easy. The joystick is clicky, and as you could see when I was playing, I was like wobbling on just basic movement. I'm doing that a little now, just using this. If anything, it's a starter point if you're going to use this as a joystick. Probably get you into a keyboard and to some extent, but for a shooter, I don't know if you would want to really use this D-pad. You'd probably get used to it, but it just takes some time.
I got you. Let's get to position.
So, as always, this is Unholy Vision signing out, and thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.